In this session, we will explore the use of Winlink Express forms by a non-Express user. This method can be advantageous when you provide a ICS 213, for example, to your agency, allowing them to fill in and save the text message for your later use in sending with Winlink Express. The technique of using Winlink forms by a non-Express user has been documented and is one of the how-to recipes available in the Winlink organization's Book of Knowledge. And here you can see the instructions that you may follow. Locate the Winlink standard templates folder in your installation. Typically, this will be under C:(RMS Express, but may be in an alternate location depending upon how you install the Winlink. Open up standard templates. In here, you'll see the categories of templates. Open the ICS USA forms. In here, you'll see the various forms that are used in the ICS category. For this example, we're going to scroll down and locate the ICS 213 initial.html. Be aware that the technique that you are seeing only works for the initial forms. It does not work for the viewer or the reply forms. Copy the ICS 213 initial file to a thumb drive or alternate folder location. Provide this thumb drive to your agency representative. Instruct your agency representative to open the initial ICS 213 file with the File Explorer. This will open up their default browser window with the ICS 213 form. Note that the form behaves differently when opened from outside of Winlink. This is a new feature that the Winlink development team are adding to many of the initial forms. Note that it instructs the user to save the message when complete. Dismissing that pop-up results in the Submit button disappearing from the form. This is a human factors aspect that prevents inadvertent loss of data should the Submit button be pressed when the form is executed outside of Winlink Express. The agency representative completes the ICS form. In this case, we're going to say this is a training exercise. At this point in time, the agency representative will check their message. And then save this message. By default, it's the form name with a date timestamp, and we are going to simply put in front of that Collins. Save that. By default, it goes to the default location that your browser is set for saving files. We can find that by Show in Folder. And what we'll do is we will copy that to our thumb drive, and then we'll provide that thumb drive to the staging area's radio operator for submission to the incident command post. An agency representative at the staging area has walked up to you, the operator for the staging area, with directions to send a ICS 213 to the incident command post and provides you with the flash drive. Open your Winlink Express application, select Message, New Message. In my case, I have a shortcut to the ICS 213 form. Select Load Initial Data. Navigate on the thumb drive to the text file instructed to send to the incident command post. Open that file. It populates the Winlink Express form. And at this point in time, you follow normal procedures for submission of that to a destination user. In this case, WS4TOT, I have been briefed, is the instant command post operator on shift. I post that to the outbox, and then I submit through my favorite session method, var HF. And so you have it. Message has been submitted.